Hello children. So today in this video this is a part 2 of lesson number 2. Previous video we learned about parallels, important feature of parallels, how are parallels number, important parallels and meridian. So now in this video, this is part 2 of lesson number 2. We are going to learn about important feature of meridian. Now, important feature of meridians. All meridians are of the same length and each one is a semicircle. If any two opposite meridians are taken together, they form a complete circle, which is a great circle. The distance between any two meridians is maximum at the equator, which is about 11 km from 1 degree of longitude. This distance decreases as we go away from the equator toward the poles. All the meridians meet at the poles. So what we know about important feature of meridian? All meridians are of the same length. The maximum distance between any two meridians is at the equator. The distance between any two meridians decreases as we move away from the equator toward the poles. Meridians cut the parallels at right angle 90 degree. Meridians are used to measure distance in the east-west direction. Now children, we are going to learn how are meridian numbered. It is called the meridian of Greenwich because it goes through a village called Greenwich. This village is situated in England in the United Kingdom. It is called to the prime meridian or the meridian 0. So you have read that to number the parallel we start from the equator. Similarly, we need a starting point to the number the meridian. In 1884, it was decided to fix Greenwich, that I told you, a place near London, as the starting point for the numbering meridians. The meridian that passed through Greenwich was marked 0 degree and named prime meridian. The longitude of a place is measured east or west of the prime meridian. Like parallels, meridians are also drawn at intervals of 1 degree. If we move away from the prime meridian toward the east or the west, we reach halfway round the earth at 180 degrees. Thus, there are 180 meridians toward the east of the prime meridian and 180 meridians toward the west of the prime meridian. The meridian of 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line. So, in total, there are how many meridians? 360 meridians. Now children, we are going to learn about locating places on globe. The parallels and meridians from a network of lines on the globe. This is called a grid. We use it to locate places on a globe that you can see. To locate a place, we must know the value of its parallel or latitude and its meridian or longitude. The point at which the parallel and the meridian cross each other is the location of that place. A system of lines is used to locate any place on the surface of the earth. Lines of latitude run in an east-west direction and allow to us say how far we are north or south. Lines of longitude run from north to south and allowed to say where we are east or west. So now children, we revise all the thing again. Earth rotates around an imaginary line called the axis, which has two endpoints called the poles. North poles at the top and south pole in the bottom. You can see in this picture. Parallel, these are the set of imaginary circles drawn on the surface of the globe. All the parallel circles from equator to the poles are called parallels of latitude. Latitudes are measured in degree. The half of the earth that lies to the north of equator is called the northern hemisphere. The half of the earth that lies below to the south of the equator is called the southern hemisphere. Measuring numbering of latitude. Measuring of latitudes start from the equator, which represents the 0-degree latitude. North pole is marked as 90 degree north and south pole as 90 degree south. Other parallels are marked from 0 to 90 degree. The parallels that are to the north of equator are marked N, and those to south of equator are marked S. Characteristics of meridian. All the meridians are of same length. The distance between two meridians is the maximum at equator and it decreases from equator towards poles. All the meridians meet at the poles. Meridians cut the parallels at right angle 90 degree. Measuring numbering meridians. The meridian that passes through Greenwich is known as the prime meridian and its value is 0 degree. Greenwich is the place near London where the British Royal Observatory is located. Longitudes are measured 180 degree east or west from prime meridian. Locating places with parallel and meridian. Latitudes and longitudes from a network of lines on the globe, which is called a grid, that you can see in this picture. Any place on the earth can be located with help of this grid. To know the location of a place, we should know the value of the latitudes. North-south direction and the longitude east-west direction. The point where the latitude and longitude interact each other is the location of the place. Now children, we are going to write new words of this lesson. So you have to write first parallel, PARALLEL. Third meridian, MERIDIAN. Third imaginary line, IMAGINARYLINE. Fourth north pole, NORTHPOLE pole. Fifth south pole, SOUTHPOLE. Sixth latitude, LATITUDE. Seventh equator, EQUATOR. 8. Northern hemisphere, NORTHER and HEMISPHERE. 9. Southern hemisphere, SOUTHERN HEMISPHERE. 10. Polar circle, POLARCIRCLE. 11. Meridian is repeated, no problem. 12th, Arctic, ARCTIC CIRCLE, Arctic Circle. 3rd, Antarctic Circle, ANTARCTICCIRCLE. So you have to write 3 times in your notebook. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.